All right, here's a video for number 5. We have to find the mean absolute deviation of these numbers on the table, which says cost of video games. So remember, mean absolute deviation gives us 3 steps. We find the mean, we subtract, and then we find the mean of those numbers. So let's start by finding the mean. So first thing I've got to do is I've got to add up all of these numbers, which I've already done. And they add up to 497. And then I have to divide by 10 because there's 10 numbers, and that gets me 49.7. So that's the mean. Now the next step is you had to subtract each number with 49.7. And remember, you can use a calculator for this. So the first thing I'm going to do, let me zoom in a little bit, is for the 40. I'm going to do 49.7 minus 40 is 9.7. So for the 55, I do 55 minus 49.7, and I get 5.3. And for 60, I do 60 minus 49.7, which is 10.3. For 48, I do 49.7 minus 48, which is 1.7. For 57, 57 minus 49.7, 7.3. And I do 33. 49.7 minus 33 is 16.7. Then I already did one for 57. Remember when I did it up here? So I don't have to do it twice. So I get 7.3. Then 49.7 minus 20 is 29.7. 80 minus 49.7 is 30.3. And 49.7 minus 47, I get 2.7. So that means step 2 is done. We subtracted. Now in step 3, where we have to find the mean of those numbers in red. So we've got to add up all of those 10 numbers. And if you add them up, they add up to 121. Divide that by 10 because there's 10 of them. And you get the mean absolute deviation of 12.1. All right, that's it for this problem. Thanks for watching.